Most people say this wrong every single day. Look at this. I am enjoying. Wait, does that sound right? It is actually a huge mistake. Take a second. What is missing? Think about it. I am enjoying. Wait, this is the mistake. In English, enjoy is a transitive verb. That means it must have an object. You cannot just enjoy. You must enjoy something. I am enjoying myself. Or I am enjoying the party. This is the correct sentence. You must add myself. Okay? Or the specific things you like. Don't miss this. This sentence looks correct to most learners, but it is wrong. She is married with a doctor. Which word is the problem? Is it with or married? This is wrong. Look carefully here. In English, we don't use with for marriage. We use a different preposition to show the connection. This is the correct form. She is married to a doctor. Always use married to. Okay, it is correct. People is or people are. What do you think? Wait, people is the plural of person. Even though here is no S at the end, it represents a group. So we never use is. This is the correct version. The people are happy. Always use are with people. Stop making this mistake. I stay in London for 10 years. If you live there permanently, is stay the right word? Look carefully. Stay is a short term, like a holiday. If it is your home, you need a different verb, like live. This is the correct word. This is the correct way to talk about your home. Use live for a long term. Stay for short term. Example, I live in London. Can you spot the mistake here? Let us discuss about the project. Is it discussed about or discuss? Decide now. This is important. Discuss means talk about. So if you say discuss about, you are saying talk about. It is too much. So this is the correct sentence. Let us discuss the project. Just only discuss. Know about. Needed. How many did you get right? Tell me your score in the comments. I am M-Muak Academy and I will see you in the next lesson to fix your English. Bye bye.